Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. As we wrap up today's trading, two key takeaways stand out. The Indian stock market surged with the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty both rising 0.4%, driven by financial heavyweights as foreign investor optimism and quarterly earnings anticipation bolstered sentiment. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee inched up against the US dollar after persistent central bank intervention. The overall market mood can be summed up as cautiously optimistic. Foreign investment, earnings reports, and the Indian rupee's trajectory remain at the heart of this narrative. In brief, equity mutual fund inflows eased 9% in September to $3.44 billion, with SIP contributions reaching a record high of $2.95 billion amid global trade concerns. Meanwhile, gold and silver ETFs saw record monthly inflows due to soaring precious metal prices and supply shortages. Despite the moderation in equity mutual fund inflows, resilient SIP contributions and strong investor confidence continue to support the Indian market. In today's trading session, India's major equity indexes posted their best weekly gains in over 3 months, driven by IT and bank stocks amidst optimism ahead of the earnings season. Foreign investors bought Indian shares worth $208.59 million this week. As we look ahead, bond yields rose slightly post the auction with no significant change in sentiment, while overnight index swaps increased. The Indian rupee saw a 0.1% rise against the US dollar, moving away from its all-time low, thanks to continued central bank defense efforts. In summary, Indian markets are cautiously optimistic due to positive sentiments surrounding foreign investments and earnings reports, but bond yields and currency fluctuations continue to show volatility. As always, stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for the latest market updates and insights.